guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really moisturizing carrot oil body lotion. I recently showed you guys how to make carrot oil, so here is a lotion recipe. So all you're going to need is going to be listed in the description box. Basically, I'm going to combine my emulsifying wax, my oil and my butters and melt it together and get it to the same temperature as I have my aloe vera juice, and then I'm going to combine the two and stick blend it together. If you've seen my previous recipes on how to make lotion, you should know the basics of making lotion. So basically I'm going to stick blend it, give it a few minutes, come back, stick blend it until it's at the cooling stage, and that's when I'm going to add my preservative and my essential oil. You can use any essential oil of choice, but I use frankincense essential oil. As I said, all the measurements and the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. The recipe for how I made my carrot oil for this lotion will be linked in the description box below as well if you want to check that out. This is a lighter lotion, so you can put it in a bottle. It doesn't have to go into a jar. You can easily use it if you put it into a bottle as well. I hope you found this video helpful. This recipe is very good. It helps even out the skin. Carrot oil is rich in beta carotene, really helps to brighten the skin, and yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what recipes you would like to see. Take care guys, goodbye.